How to turn on or turn off stay on lock screen into swipe on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now in settings, we scroll down and tap on lock screen and AOD. Next tap on screen lock and biometrics. From here, enter in the current PIN or password and tap on continued. Next tap on face recognition. Then in here we go down and tap on stay on lock screen into swipe. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on this feature. When this is turned on, it said that when you unlock with face recognition, you will stay on the lock screen until you swipe. Turn this off to go directly to the last screen you were using. So here, if I go to my lock screen and I use face recognition to unlock it, you can see the phone still stay on the lock screen until I swipe it. Okay, so if we turn off this feature, let's see what happens when we turn it off. Okay, so we turn off this feature and we lock the screen. You can see that when the phone unlocks, it goes directly to the previous screen page that we were on. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.